Oh, hello everyone. You want to see my new desk right here? This one is one that you can use while you're standing up while working at home. What's happening, YouTube boy Tech TRX, back in our video, and today we're looking at the Flexispot standing motorized fully automatic desk for you guys who are working at home. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify when videos to come, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out fibcedmonton.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Today we're going to show you how to install this, put it all together, and show you the features as well. Step one is to install the desk feet, which will be with that and also these things right here. Now I like how they put all the letters right there, and it goes with the instructions right there so that you know which tool to use and the screws to use so you won't mess it up. So open these guys up. We need the F and the E's. Real easy, just to put this up like this, put it vertical, and then just gonna place this on top like so, and just gonna place this into the hole. Kind of feel the hole there, and then tighten it like that. Don't tighten it all the way for all of it yet. Make sure that every single one can go and screw in like so. Make it easy for you. And then once everything is in, you can then tighten it with the Allen keys provided in the box. There you go. That's one of them. Let's do the other one now. There's the other one, and the other leg as well. Make sure to put it on the right side. The bottom side is this one right here, not this one right here. Again, we'll do the exact same thing, like so. And then we're gonna do the diagonal side. That way it's already aligned. The other two is just really easy to put on there. And then again with the Allen key, just to tighten it. There you go. Let's put those on the side for now. The next step is to stand them both up. And then we're gonna install the middle part. Stick this in right in the middle there, just like that. And then we're gonna attach this side. There you go, just attach it like that. And then you're gonna go to the other side right here and stab it in like so. Now this is the smaller version of the letter E there. It also tells us on the instruction to use this. We're just gonna tighten the Allen keys there. Next step is to put this bar, we're gonna bolt it down like so. The bolts that they want us to use is letter C. Let's go ahead and open up letter C there. I love these because you don't have to guess which bolts to use. Again, it tells us to use the E, the bigger one, to tighten this. Again, make sure that every bolt is inside and not tightened just yet. Once it's all threaded and ready to go, then we can go ahead and finish tightening it. There you go. When you're installing these, make sure it's facing inward or else it won't work. Facing in like this. There you go. Next step on this is the wood. So we'll take this right here. Use this one of these holes right here to connect it together using the G. Just a slider right there, real easy. Right there, making sure that it is both the tops are together and both the bottoms are together. There you go. And then we're gonna place this down on the floor, and then we're gonna put everything upside down. Once you've done that, you're just gonna place this on the bottom, and then we're just gonna tip this over. The screws we need is D. Right now we're gonna use a drill as well. We're gonna pre-drill some holes. It already comes with pre-drilled holes, but those are just for reference sake. For example, like this middle part doesn't have holes in them, so we're gonna drill holes in there so that the screws won't bust the wood there. The screws they provided is Phillips drive right there, so we're gonna put that on our drill. Stick that into the pre-existing drill holes there. There it is. But for the non-pre-existing holes, what we need to do is drill new holes for it. Make sure that you don't drill all the way as well, because the wood is only 5/8 thick. Now there are two holes over here, and all you need to do is just align this guy right here, which is actually the remote for the desk, and then screw it on there. Make sure to not forget to install this before you put everything else. Now we're just gonna insert the power adapter right here. Little clamp there, nothing too special, just slide it in on the side. Last but not least, we're gonna take this, install that. The screw that we're gonna use is letter A. Let's wire it all up here. What you'll need to put is the power adapter like so. Here on the other side, there's an adapter like this one. You're just gonna plug this in like so, and then you're just gonna clip that like that so it doesn't come off. That cable now will then go in towards the back here, and then this part will go into DC in. This guy right here coming from the motor there will then go into the M1 slot right there. Then you could do a little bit of cable management here if you wanted to. There's also an addition of wire clips right here if you wanted to use cable management if you have a computer to be put on the desk. And this is what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. You can also use this to route that cable that's just hanging down there. Let's go ahead and demonstrate this to you guys. So as you can see there, when you press it, it'll go up. Very good. There you go. That's the limit right there. The tallest the desk could go is about 4 feet, as you could see there. Really good height, as you could see there. And then let's go to the bottom now. And there you go. And the lowest it could go is about 2.5 feet there, which is 28.25 inches. Good comfortable height for either way, whatever how tall you are, this will work for you. Now the other feature as well of this is it has these little holes right there for routing wires from the bottom, which is really cool. Same with on this side right here. The desk length is about 39.5 inches there, 1 meter. And then the width is about 600 mils there. And that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a standing desk just like this. I really love this, so you don't have to crank any levers to bring it up or down. It's really automatic. Everything is good to go. I'm about 5'9", and this goes pretty high. So if you are a 6-footer or taller than this, let me know in the comments below, and this could be a good one for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you in your choice on a brand new desk for working at home. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. This one is by Flexispot. Everything will be linked down in the description below. Check out more of my videos to come of unboxing and reviews. I hope to see you guys next time, and peace out.